Hello everyone, welcome to the Plerdy channel. My name is Martha, I'm marketing manager, and in this video we'll get to know how to run Net Promoter Score survey on your website. But before we start, please make sure you subscribe to our channel so you won't miss our new videos. So NPS survey is a simple form that aims at predicting whether customers are going to repurchase from the company or recommend it to somebody else like their friends, colleagues, or family. NPS surveys are actively used to measure customer satisfaction, customer experience, and loyalty to the brand. This makes NPS surveys a must have thing for every online store that really cares about their customers. So I'm going to show you how can we create this kind of form in our Plerdy account. So we need to open the account and go to Forms and Feedback tab and press Build Form. Here we'll see different kinds of form and we need to find Net Promoter Score. As I said, this form measures one of the main metrics of customer loyalty. So we press Build Form and we give it a name, NPS Test 1, and we are creating the form. So the first step is form design. We can adjust the form description, change the header, change the description. We can edit the form elements like the buttons and also those titles here, like the level of customer satisfaction. It can also be adjusted. We can also change the message after submission and the style of the form, like the background color and the color of the buttons. So, everything can be adjusted based to your needs and based on your taste. But the most important part of this form is, of course, the message, the question we're going to add here. And I'm going to show you 5 examples of the questions that can be added to your NPS survey. So, the first example, how likely are you to recommend our company to a friend or colleague? So, this is probably the most common, basic, general question that will help us understand how likely are the customers to recommend us. So, very simple question. Next one. How likely are you to recommend our product to a friend or company? So, we see that in this example, we're asking not about the company in general, we're asking about the concrete product. The product here can be actually replaced with any concrete name of the product. So, for example, we really want to hear an opinion about a concrete. I don't know, like concrete item on our website. So we can write it here and ask the customers who bought this product to share their opinion about this product. Next example, how likely are you to recommend company to your friend or colleague based on your interaction with our support team? So in this question, we want to hear the opinion about concrete experience on our website. Of course, here again, interaction with our support team can be replaced and changed to any kind of experience you want to ask about. So this is basically an example for the support, but it can be adjusted. And next example, how likely are you to recommend our company or our product name to someone sharing the same interest? So this question is more to study our target audience because if we are asking about a friend or a family, those people might not be our target audience. So the person can just click that he will not share. He is not likely to recommend this product to his family because they are not the target audience for this product. So if your product really has this specific target audience, it is better to build your question in this form and ask about recommending this product to people with the same interests. And the last example, following the latest feature updates, how likely are you to recommend our company product name to a friend or colleague? So this question will work best for SaaS companies that have like some updates. And after those updates, we want to hear the opinion of people. We want to hear their thoughts and get to know if they like those updates or not. So those were the examples of questions, but there is one more very interesting feature inside the NPS form. We can add an additional field where people can add their comments, their thoughts. It can be enabled by this toggle here, the name of the command field. So we can basically add like what we want to add as a question. I will not write the whole question, but just to give you an idea. So basically, here we will be able to ask why is this person giving this score. Why this is useful? Because if, for example, a person is ranking you with a 10, it means that this person liked everything and there is not that much to add. But if someone is giving you a mark that is lower than 6, this means that there were some problems, some issues, and you might want to hear about them. And you might want to know what happened, why those people are disappointed with their experience. So this is very useful and helpful thing. And then we move to display rules. They are basically the same for all kinds of forms in the Plerdy account. However, for NPS surveys, you need to really pay a bit more attention to display rules because this is not a good practice to show the NPS survey for all customers because this question is based on the previous experience of those customers. So we ask them to share their thoughts, and it doesn't make sense to ask those questions customers who are like first time visitors on our website because they didn't have this experience. So we need to use the traffic groups and add here only the user groups of the people who already bought something on our website. In one of the previous videos, I have been explaining how can we set up user groups. So basically, we'll need to do it in advance to create the user groups for people who already purchased something on our website. And here, while creating the form, we will be able to choose this specific user group. And in this way, it will be a correct setup. Because if this pop up NPS survey will show up for the users who have just landed on our website, who are just exploring the products on our website, so that if they see this pop-up, they will most likely close it. And then in the stats, we'll see a very high closing rate. And this will be a wrong setup. So you need to really pay attention to those user groups and make sure you set up the form correctly. Okay, so the rest rules are up to you. So we can also choose one word to show this form. You can choose the form placement, and when ready, you can successfully activate your form and start gathering your customers' feedback and your scores. So I wish you luck and only good marks, good ratings from your customers. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in our next videos. Take care. Bye bye.